Good morning, SISD. This is my December vlog from the superintendent.
Hi.
Hi, and today is one of our favorite days of the year. It's when we host our entire faculty for our Christmas open house. It's something the board chose to do quite some time ago, and it's a really special day for all of us. So we've decorated the central office, and let's take you in there and let's see what's going on. We have our culinary arts department here who've prepared the food for us. We're very happy that they've had that opportunity to do that. And here is the setup for our Christmas open house. And so our faculty comes in throughout the day, and it's always a great honor to welcome them and serve them and thank them for all that they do for our school district. So from Splendora ISD, Merry Christmas.